Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about table caption. You can add a caption that serves a heading for the entire table. For instance, monthly savings, sorry, you can say. To add a caption to a table, use the caption tag. When we are having after our table opening and closing tag, you can see the closing table tag. You can see the opening table tag along with the style attribute. Now, after that, we can have our caption. When you have your caption element, you can write whatsoever you want to write on the caption. So inside the caption, you can write anything. Note, the caption tag should be inserted immediately after the table tag, like what we did right here. Caption. So quickly, let's get back to our document to see what's going on. In our previous tutorial, this is where we got. This is where we are now. We click this works, right? This is our document. This was the document we did in our previous tutorial. We don't know how we got here. You can check our previous tutorial. So, and also, this is the codes. So now let me show you something. We want to use the caption. What we learned so far is that caption should be immediately after the table. So when we write caption, so whatever we want to write there, we can write profile, you can write anwar profile. For instance, when we write anwar profile, let's save our document and reload it. You will see the caption will be on top of this first name, second name, last name. Can you see? The caption it's outside. Okay, as you can see, the caption is outside of the the table border. Outside of what? Outside of the table border. As you can see, it makes the document looks pretty. You can see how it's looking decent now. So you can have it like this, and you can control it anyhow you want. You can style it, you can do anything you want, you can turn it to a link, you can do whatsoever we want. So this is just a caption, and inside this caption here, you can add a link, let's say anchor tag, that can take them to somewhere. You can write wow.html, you can just write a name, wow. If you like, it's not compulsory. This is just for example. As you can see, whenever they go over on this and click it, it will take them to somewhere. So you can do it anyhow you want. You can even turn it to an image if you want. You can turn it to an image. This caption can be an image, can be a GIF or whatsoever. I put GIF if the GIF will display. Can you see? That is a caption. So you can use it anyhow you want. So I think, let me take it back to Anwar. Let's just put Anwar. Let's reload our document. Can you see how it looks? So let's just leave it like this, so we can continue our tutorial. As you can see, the caption is right after the table, immediately after what? After the table. Then now say for instance we want to add it behind the table. Let's see what will happen. Let's take it like this and put it behind the table. Save your document and see what will happen. Can you see what happens? Is at the left side of this whereas you can control it also and push it to this place. But if you notice very well, when putting it inside the table, it aligns itself automatically, as you can see. So even no matter how bigger or smaller the table may be, it will always be at the center of it. So I want you to understand the point. So, and you can control it also, no matter how, either way is the way. You can do it anyhow you want, and you can use it if you like. So all these are useful. They are useful. That's why I'm pushing it out. So, Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Thank you so much, and to the next. But before I go, don't forget you can watch every tutorials. I have a separate playlist for everything I'm mentioning here. You can check the tutorial list, so you can check my playlist to confirm the type of things you can find there, so it can help you a lot. So have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you so much.